Form 4868 gives you an extra 6 months to file your taxes, perfect if you need more time to wrap up your paperwork. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to fill out and save your extension request using pdfFiller so you can avoid late filing penalties. Start with Part 1. Enter your name, address, and social security number. If you're filing jointly, include your spouse's information too. In Part 2, Line 4, enter your estimated total tax for the year. On Line 5, enter any payments you've already made through withholding or estimated payments. Line 6 shows your balance. Subtract Line 5 from Line 4 and enter the result on Line 7. Keep in mind, this extension gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. Check Box 8 if you're living outside the US, or Box 9 if you're filing a 1040 NR. If neither applies, just leave them blank. When you're finished, click Done to save the form to your account. From here, you can download the form to e-file it or print and mail it to the IRS. Handle your tax forms online with pdfFiller. Start your free trial.